After a good time in Orlando, we headed 2 hours north to the wild, crazy, and especially beautiful Ginnie Springs. I've been to Ginnie Springs once before. It's a pretty crazy place, but this is going to be Bridget's first time. The park's located not too far outside Gainesville, right on the Santa Fe River. If you couldn't figure it out by the name, Ginnie Springs is known for its freshwater springs. They have a couple springs located on the property, and they're all equally beautiful. Crystal clear water. It's what makes Ginnie Springs so special, are these springs. The majority of the people rent tubes and travel down the river, but you do get the occasional scuba diver exploring the cave system through the springs. So pretty much located in the center of Ginnie Springs is their gigantic camping store. Inside the store you'll find everything. They have a little bit of food, drinks, camping supplies, souvenirs, buy snorkeling stuff. And the biggest thing is you can rent tubes here. They also have a little cafe around back. Nothing crazy. Sandwiches, burgers, ice cream, stuff like that. Because Ginnie Springs is so big, they have a couple bathrooms throughout the campground. They're all pretty much in the same condition. Ginnie Springs is a pretty wet and wild place, and the bathrooms kind of reflect that. Expect to get pretty dirty, so it's nice that they have a laundry facility. Because Ginnie Springs is so popular, you have a ton of people coming into the park, so don't expect a quiet camping experience. Loud music, people walking through your campground, these are all the norms here. But that didn't really bother us too much. What's the old saying? We're not there for a long time, we're there for a good time, something like that. So with that said, the plan was we were going to pump up our inflatable kayak and head down the Santa Fe River, hitting as many springs as we can. And after a couple fun-filled days in Ginnie Springs, we jumped back on the road.